What's going on, everyone? Hope you have a great day. So here I am back on another video. I am Surojit and welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to talk about the most profitable coin and also the most popular coin is about the Conflux, which is giving you as a GPU mining the best profitability. And in this video I am going to talk about the three different sections. It's about that the first one is the how to mine the Conflux. The second one is the difference or calculate the basic math that which is going to be the profitable. It's about that if you choose on the Conflux to mine as a direct or you can choose as a Nicehash. So in here we can see the profitability that it's about on the per 3060 card that give you it's about 0.96 per day on the Nicehash calculator, but this is for the that I am actually don't input any electricity cost on there. So if I choose the same electricity cost on there, so the calculation it's about 0.68 cents per day that you got after the electricity on 3060 card per day. So if I choose on hashrate.no, then here we can see that it's showing that if I choose on the Nicehash, then you got the revenue it's about 1.17 and the profit it's about 0.84. And if I choose on what to mine, then you can see that there is differences that on there the direct mining is give you the best profitability and the reward. That is the three different section on the three different mining calculator that the Nicehash, hashrate.no and the what to mine that is showing the three different mining calculation. But on there in this video I give you the actual hash rate, actual revenue, and also that how you can get the maximum hash rate on this direct mining or you can choose as a Nicehash mining, because on the LOL miner or you can say as a TRX miner you got it's about 45 to 44 mega hash, but if I choose some others miner then you get the maximum hash rate it's about 47 to 48 mega hash per card on 3060 card, and you get the better revenue and the profitability on the same overclock setting. So let's go on the main website that it's about confluxnetwork.org. This is the main website on the Conflux. So if I choose as a how to mine, then we need a wallet. So you can choose any of this wallet as a direct wallet provided the Conflux, and you can choose as a exchanges wallet, but this is not the recommendation to choose as a exchange wallet. So if I choose as a direct Conflux web wallet, so click the link on the create wallet section and you go on the fluentwallet.com. so this is the wallet that they provided to create as a Fluent Wallet to mine or store your balance as a Conflux on the Fluent Wallet. So just add to Chrome and it's just go up on the another website, and here we can see that the Chrome extension it's to choose as a add to Chrome. So just click on the add to Chrome. So I already create or add my wallet. So on their right hand side here we can see that the Fluent Wallet is already I just create on that. So that is a basic things. It's about that just create your ID and select the preface, choose the new seed and confirm your wallet. So this is my wallet. So just as a simple step, so you can go on there as a create the Fluent website or the Conflux wallet on this side. So now go on the market price, and on the market price it's about the coin market cap is right now 0.18 cents, and there is the profitability is going high and the price is also is going something like high on this time, but right now is going down. But the profitability and the price is something like the same, is going up and down, and on the what to mine something is going to showing some glitches that you can generate the maximum profitability on there. It's about the $2 $3 per day on the 3060 card, but this is not the actual the profitability that you can generate on your Conflux mining on the 3060 card. So right now the profitability it's about $1 on the direct mining, and if you choose on the Nicehash then you got the 82 on the calculation on what to mine. On the other hand is the hashrate.no, there is showing some differences that if you choose the Conflux mining on the Nicehash then you get the better result, and but if you choose the Conflux mining on the direct then you get the profitability that which is not the good, just like the Nicehash is providing. But on the other hand is the Nicehash calculator, there is showing some different calculation in there. So the basic things is that the first one, that how to mine the Conflux in Hiveos. So in here you can see this is my Hiveos, and here we can see that I just continuously mining some pyrin. I get the less profit in that the pyrin, but you get the better revenue, because you know that I only goes for the best revenue, because profitability is something like, it's if you hold this coin, then the profitability is sometimes you get this as a better result. So that's why I just choose the current or the better revenue. So that's why I just choose the pyrin hash continuously. But when I got this Conflux mining, and already I told you in before that I make a video, it's about also in this before that the Conflux mining or the Conflux Caspa as a dual mining. So you can see on that the Caspa and the Conflux dual mining, and also I choose and preferable also for the Conflux, because I make a better profit on the time when the Ethereum also available on there. So I get the better profitability as a Conflux mining on that time. So that's why I love this Conflux. So the Conflux mining is back, so this is good for me, and I hope this is going to be a better in the next time or the future time. So right now here we can see on the Octopus or the Conflux mining, I just mining on as a direct and also as a Nicehash. So right now the Nicehash is selected on there, but if I choose on the Flightsheet, there we can see it's about that the Conflux is the direct mining is also available on that the Flightsheet. So I choose the Herominer and the Rigel miner in there, but before I choose as a LOL miner or choose as a F2 pool. But the problem is that if I choose on the F2 pool, there is some issue. It's about that you need to create a ID, which I just against on to create a ID to see the mining status on any pool, but I don't have any option. So that's why I just create a account on the F2 pool. So you just need to create a wallet, just like to use your username, email address, phone number and the password. Then we just create account on the F2 pool, and then get your mining hash rate and the other option from there. So there is a difficult settings is applied on the F2 pool. So that's why I just pause my mining on F2 pool and switch my server pool to the Herominers. And here we can see that on the mining pool stat, there is the, it's about 10 mining pool server is available. I just switch my miner or also my mining pool server. It's about from F2 pool to the Herominers, and on the Herominers here we can see the minimum payout, it's about 1 CFX, and the payment interval is about 2 hours. And this is the hash rate I got, it's about 93 on my both 3060 card, and this is my payout. And the balances is right now the 1 CFX is pending on there, and the last payout it's about 4.3 CFX, which I get on my Binance account, because I choose on that time is the Binance exchange wallet, because on that time I don't create any Fluent Wallet. So because for I am going to testing, so that's why I'm not creating on that time the Fluent Wallet or the Conflux main wallet. So I choose and test on my, you can see on that this is my Binance account. So you can see in there that the 4.3416 I got this from mining, and right now 1 CFX is pending balance is available on the Herominers. And let's see that the first one is the how to mine Conflux and get the better results. The first one, when I choose hashrate.no recommendation, it's about that the TRX miner and also the overclock setting on there. The happening is that when I choose the TRX miner or the NB miner, the NB miner is showing something like good, but when I choose the TRX miner, there I got the better hash rate, but my rigs is going to be a shutdown. So when I choose as a NB miner, that the Nicehash recommended that the NB miners is preferable to choose CFX mining on Nicehash. Then I choose the NV miner, that is something like a good, there is no issue, but I got lowest hash rate, it's about 42-44 mega hash. But when I choose the recommendation of the hashrate.no, it's about TRX miner, my hash rate is going up, it's about 44 to 47, but the mining is going to be a crash after a 1 hour, 3 hour, 5 hours is something like that. This is not going smoothly, so or my one card is going to shut down, the other one is going smoothly. That is happening is going on. And when I choose as a LOL miner or the LOL miner, there is also happening. It's something like that. I got the medium hash rate, it's about 45 hash rate, but the experiences, it's about that the mining is going smoothly, but I don't get the better result and also the better smooth mining on this 3 miners. It's about the NB miner or the LOL miner, or you can say it's about the TRX miner. So I choose Rigel miner, or you can say it's about the Rigel miner, which is the latest version is right now available. The version is the 1.11.0. the latest miner is right now available. So when I choose the Rigel miner or the Rigel version 1.11.0, there I got the same hash rate just like the TRX miner is provided. It's about the 48 point something like. So the TRX miner is also the latest version is 0.26.8, which is also giving you the same hash rate, but the smooth mining I got on this the Rigel miner or the Rigel miner, and I got the same hash rate, the smooth mining on there. So that's why I changed my miner from the NB miner to the LOL miner. Then I choose the TRX miner, and then I finally choose the Rigel miner, which is giving me the continuously mining as a smooth experience and give the better hash rate also. So that's why I choose the Rigel miner. Then I choose overclock setting that the hashrate.n is recommended. It's about 200 the co-offset, and the memory co-offset is about 2200, and the power limit is 135. But on this overclock setting I don't get the best hash rate, and also I face some difficulty on this 3 miner on the TRX as well as the LOL TRX, and also as well as in the NB miner. So if I choose on the Rigel miner, there is provided the best hash rate on this overclock setting. But if I choose this overclock setting on there, if I choose on my overview in there, you can see that I just create the power limit the 135 that the hashrate.n is recommended, and when I choose the memory clock, it's about 2200. There is some issue I got, it's about the difficulty. So that's why I choose the memory clock, it's about 2000, and the core clock or the co-offset I choose as 100, not to choose as 200, but you can choose as 0, so you get the better hash rate, the difficulty, and also improvement on your mining performance. So let's see that how to mine the Conflux in the Hiveos as a direct. So we need a wallet. On the wallet section here we can see that I just create the Binance exchange wallet, but I just create right now is my Fluent Wallet, so I just copy in that, and on the wallet section just add wallet, type CFX and choose the wallet address from there, and this is my Fluent, or you can set as a Fluent web wallet for the CFX and create your wallet. And right now go on the Flightsheet. So here you can see right now I just testing on the Nicehash and also the Rigel miner, because I got the better hash rate and the improvement on the Rigel miner. So that's why I choose the Rigel miner. Also in there, here we can see on the Octopus mining or the Nicehash mining, there I also choose the Rigel miner because I got the better improvement on this Rigel miner. So if I choose on the Flightsheet and choose on the auto server pool option in there, so choose the coin as a CFX wallet because this is for the direct mining. So I choose as a Fluent web, choose F2 pool, but there is the problem I just showing in there that you create a ID and there is some basic features going to be a critical. So that's why I just pause my F2 pool server and change my mining pool server to the Herominer. So on the Flightsheet I just change my pools is on the Herominer and choose the India server in there, apply on changes and select the miner is the Rigel. So you can choose any of this, but you can choose also the G miner. G miner is going to be also best and you don't have to crashing issue, so you can choose G miner. But for the better hash rate you choose as a TRX miner and also the Rigel miner. But if you see that the TRX miner is going to be a crash, then you can choose as a Rigel miner and you can choose any of this CFX test video. and on the setup config file, if you choose the Rigel miner, choose the hash algorithm is the octopus, and on this side just delete the worker name from there and the dot and paste the worker name in here. Pool as a direct in their URL, and X you can choose as a blank, and there is do not change anything. This is the basic setting in there. Apply on changes and create the Flightsheet. Okay, so if you choose on the NB miner, there is also the same. This is the settings you need to choose in their wallet, worker name, URL, password as a X, and this is the apply on changes and update miner. But if you choose as a TRX miner in there, the same settings you can apply it on there and setup config file. Just choose the octopus wallet worker name, but you can choose also this is from there just like the Rigel miner. The pool URL is the URL, password as a X, and apply on changes and create your Flightsheet. So there is a 3 option in there, so I choose the Rigel miner as a hero miners in there, just like this is the same settings in there. So in here I just apply the Binance Smart Chain mainnet wallet. So this is the settings that I choose in there. This is just change because I just change my wallet address from there. Apply on changes and update your miner, and this is done. And if you choose on the Octa or the Nicehash mining, there is also the octopus. Choose on the Nicehash octopus, choose any of this Nicehash wallet because the same wallet address that you can get on there. Choose the Nicehash, and the configure pool is the auto server pool is selected. Apply on changes, set the name, and choose the Rigel miner, G miner, nano miner, NB miner, or the TRX miner. Any of these you can choose in there, but I choose the Rigel miner on the setup config file. This is the settings that you need to choose. Apply on changes and update your miner. So this is the basic things in here you can see. And on this worker, when I choose as a direct or also choose the Nicehash mining, that is also get the same hash rate, and here you can see that it's continuously mining and there is no difficulty or the hash rate is going up and down. That is going to a smoothly experience I face on this Rigel miner. So that's why I choose the Rigel miner in there, and on there you can see that I got the hash rate. It's about 42, 40, 56 megahash, the average hash rate, or the you can say that the per card I got it's about 47, but right now this is the offline. So the average hash rate per hour it's about 40, 72, but this is up and down is going on the pool side. But on the Hiveos that you can see, this is the hash rate I got, it's about 93. So this is the overall settings that how to mine the Conflux on the direct overclock setting, and this is also for the overclock setting that I applied on there. This is the basic settings that if you choose as a direct mining or as a Nicehash mining, then you get same hash rate on there. So this is about the how to mine the Conflux on Hiveos to choose as a exchange wallet or choose as a wallet address on the direct. So now the difference and the revenue that you got, and that what I am choosing as a Conflux mining. So on the hashrate.no, here we can see that the total hash rate, the profitability, and the revenue, the before and the after electricity, all the profitability and the revenue is sharing on there. So if you choose as a Conflux mining on Nicehash, then you get the profitability just like the 96 or the $1, whichever you got. But if you choose the direct mining, then your revenue is continuously going to increase and also the decreasing, because on this before when you choose and when the price is going to up on there, the price which is right now in the coin market cap is about 0.18. when you start to mine, or the price is going up and the profitability is also going up, on this time you get it's about that the revenue, not the profitability, it's about the revenue, that what is the price or how much coin you just generate as a direct mining. So on there you get it's about that the 3 to 3.5 coins per day you can generate on as a Conflux mining, which is going to be increasing. On this yesterday it's about 6.5 to 6.3 CFX that you can mine on as a per 3060 card, which is going to be a good, because when you keep the balance on your wallet, then when the price is going up, then you can sell it on and get the better profitability on that time. And also if you choose on the Nicehash mining, there the price is also increasing, the profitability also increasing, and the revenue sharing on the MBTC is also going to be increasing. So there is also the better that you got on the Nicehash mining. But the actual thing is that right now here we can see that the price is going down the profitability is going down, and also the mining revenue is also going down. So if you continuously mining on Conflux as a direct mining, then you got something like the max revenue on the Conflux mining, or you can get the revenue that going to decreasing. It's about 3 to 4 CFX per day on per card. Think about that. If you choose approximately the basic maths, it's about you can generate per day, it's about 3 to 3.5 approximately the CFX that you can generate. So if you choose as a 1 month, I just calculate in that, then you got it's about 105 CFX per month. But if you choose the Nicehash mining, and also the price is, it's about that it's going roughly. So in there on the Binance, here you can see when the Conflux or the CFX is listed and the price is got, it's about $1.8. This is the best or the overall price that hit the CFX on the Binance. And if I choose the 105 or the 105 coins, so the price it's about 1.8, and if I calculate this as a 105 CFX, the price on it's about 1.8, it's got it's about roughly $189 you can generate if the price is going on the same price. But if you choose on the Nicehash mining or the Nicehash miner to choose to mine Conflux as a direct, then your mining balance is going to keep on as a Bitcoin to store as a Nicehash wallet. And you know that the halving is coming as a 24 to 25, and the Bitcoin price is going to increasing. So on that time, if you store your mining balance as a Bitcoin, so the price is going up, and also the revenue you get the better. So this is my reference, that this is not a financial advice, that what I think I just shared to you, that if you choose as a Nicehash mining and choose the revenue on the Nicehash wallet to as a Bitcoin, the price is going high, the halving is coming, so that's why the profitability you get the maximum just like the before, or maybe better than before. This is my recommendation that I just doing right now. So that's why I just continuously mining on both day as a Conflux mining or as a the direct on the Nicehash mining, and keep the same hash rate and the profitability on that both wallet, and let calculate then that which is going to be the better option for me. So I thought and calculate on the average calculation and think about that if I store as a direct mining on the Conflux to store as a CFX on my exchange wallet or as a Fluent wallet, then the price is going up and I just sell it out on there, then I got the profitability on there, which is going, I hope it's about the 1.8, or maybe it's about going to $2, or maybe it's going it's about 1.5, just like the same average you can say. But if I choose as a Nicehash mining to choose as a Bitcoin to store this balance, so I hope I got the better revenue and the profitability on that later. So this is the actual thought, that if you choose to mine or set the mining as a direct or as a Nicehash, so you get the hash rate and the profitability and the revenue and the power utilization that you can set whatever you like. So this is the actual the basic settings and the overall things. It's about that if you choose the direct mining on the Conflux, then you get something like the same hash rate or the same the revenue, it's about 3 to 4 or 6 CFX per day on the 3060 card. And if you choose some other card, then you get CFX that which card is provided how much. So if you choose on the Nicehash, then you get the same price, maybe somehow the best price, just like the what to mine or hashrate.in recommended that you get the better on the Nicehash, or you can set as a direct mining, so you can get the better revenue. So which one up to you, and which one is going to be suitable for you, choose and let me know in the comment that which one suitable for you and which are you doing for as a CFX mining. So this is the overall update, is that if you choose as a LOL miner, then you don't get the better hash rate. Also you can choose as a NV miner, then you also don't get the better hash rate, but you get the smooth experience on the NV miner. But if you choose on the TRX miner, then you get the maximum hash rate. Also you get the maximum hash rate on the Rigel miner, but you don't get the smooth experience on the TRX miner. And if you choose, then it is going to be a good for you. So comment on the below that which one is going to choose as a Conflux mining to Rigel or the NV miner or the TRX miner, or some other is the Nano and the Z miner. So this is the end of this video, and I just shared my explanation at my best that how to mine the Conflux as a direct or as a Nicehash, and how to create the Fluent Wallet or how to create the Flightsheet. So there is the all the settings and all the related things that which is going to be profitable and also best and also suitable for you that I provided on there, and also the overclock setting that you choose this overclock setting, then you get the better hash rate and the improvement on your mining preferences. So this is the overall things in this video. So let me know in the comments that which one is suitable for you and which are you using to mine as a Conflux, and which one you choose as to mine Conflux to choose as a direct or the Nicehash. So this is the overall video in this section, and I just wrap up in this video. And here is my YouTube channel, and you can see that there is a lots of videos available on there. Pyrin is also going to be a profitable still, but if you choose as to mine Pyrin, you get the low power consumption that the best for the mining experiences, and you get the revenue is right now it's about 7 POI per 3060 card, and also some other mining coins is also available on there which is going to be preferable and which is going to be suitable for you. You just click on that, and if you think that this video is going to be helpful for you, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I just wrap up right now in this videos, and I just come on the next video on another topic. So have a great day. I will see you in the next one.